When you think about Greece, you probably imagine stunning beaches, ancient ruins, and incredible food. But there is one Greek tradition that truly captures the spirit of the country. It's called Philoxenia. It means love of strangers or friendship to strangers, and it's the heartbeat of the Greek hospitality. Philoxenia isn't just a nice word, it's an ancient value rooted deep in Greek history and mythology. Back in the days of Homer, in epics like the Odyssey, welcoming strangers was a sacred duty. The gods themselves offered disguised as travelers, testing humans' generosity. This tradition was so important because Greece was a land of city-states and travelers. Offering shelter and food to strangers wasn't just polite, it was survival, a moral code, and a spiritual act. Today, Philoxenia goes way beyond just welcoming guests. It's about kindness, respect, and building community. It's the reason Greeks invite people into their homes, share meals, or simply offer a helping hand. It's also why you'll often see people sitting outside their homes, ready to chat, share stories, or offer advice. In Greece, food is one of the purest expressions of Philoxenia. No matter where you go, you'll find a table piled high with meze, small plates meant to be shared. Hosts believe that sharing food is sharing life. When you are offered a dish or a drink, it's a symbol of trust and friendship. And you can't say no. In fact, refusing food or a drink can be seen as refusing the person's kindness. So when in Greece, eat with your heart open. I asked some visitors what Philoxenia means to them. This is what they told me. I was invited to a small village dinner, and even though I didn't speak much Greek, they made me feel like family. Or another one, a local woman insisted I tried her homemade honey and bread, and it was the most genuine welcome I've ever had. These moments of warmth and generosity stay with people forever. It's hospitality that touches the soul. Become a member on Patreon for just $6.5 a month. With every YouTube video you'll get transcripts, vocabulary lists, fun quizzes, flashcards on Quizlet, MP3 files, private WhatsApp group to practice with others. Find the link in the description. Philoxenia shines brightest during festivals, weddings, and holidays. When the whole village or family comes together, food and hospitality flow endlessly. In these moments, strangers become friends and friends become family. Everyone is invited and no one leaves hungry or thirsty. Even in modern Greece, with busy cities and changing times, Philoxenia survives. It's seen in how shopkeepers chat with customers, how strangers help each other on the street, and how cafes become social hubs. It reminds us that hospitality is a mindset. It's about openness, generosity, and human connection. In a world that can feel disconnected and fast-paced, Philoxenia offers a powerful message. Welcome others with an open heart, share what you have, and create genuine bonds. Whether you are in Greece or anywhere else, the spirit of Philoxenia invites us all to be kinder, more generous, and more present with those around us. So next time you sit at the Greek table, remember, you are not just a guest. You are part of a tradition that celebrates connection and community. So yamas to friendship, kindness, and open doors. If you enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe, drop a comment with your thoughts, and thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning. Τα λέμε!